What's up, you guys, and welcome to some WWE 2K16, and let's hop into this and play a battle. Oh yeah. Oh no, not a battle royal. I meant trying to think of the word. Oh crap.
Oh crappy.
I'm trying to think of it was called a 6-man elimination chamber. Let's do tornado tag. I'm gonna pick the best people that I can find. Okay, warrior first. Let's go for my tag team. Let's go for the warrior tag. I made my own tag team. The code, leave it, ask in comments below. Tell you in. It's called the SFGs. There's let's put in Seth Rollins, no Randy Orton. Let's put in Stardust. No, we don't want him to do these. We want some Edge. Nope, Edge gets no finisher. No, Edge doesn't get Infinity Spears. We don't like that. Okay, let's play this. SFGs versus the Idleness. I actually don't know what that team's called. What's the team? What? What's watching called though? My video. Oh, gosh. Watch my channel. Like, if you're wondering when my videos pop up, just watch my channel about like every once a day. Okay, I guess this is tornado tag, and I am the Ultimate Warrior Wrestler. No! Sorry about this, guys. Just my remote just doesn't want to be. I'm trying to make a video right here, Matt. Okay. Okay, he's ready for it.
Oh, out of nowhere!
Die, Stardust.
I can't wait to see what Ultimate Warrior
Out of
does
leave,
here.
I can fly.
No problem getting out of that one.
Okay, let's go for a soup. This isn't a
Watch
suplex.
Ultimate Warrior. Let's get your take on it.
Want me flex? Oh, come on, Stardust. I'm trying to get my Infinite signature. I'm trying to get it so I can get my signature on.
Looking to be in great shape here. It doesn't
Okay,
appear as though any
Stardust.
damage has been done. Ultimate
Okay,
Warrior
Stardust.
sees the chance to go
Don't see me
aerial.
go high. But,
More
oh!
embarrassing than anything else.
No.
1987, the Ultimate Warrior debuted in WWE and changed the face of this business forever. His unwavering intensity and power quickly earned him legions
Get him,
of
Sting.
fans. The Ultimate Warrior was an Intercontinental Champion, a WWE Champion, and a 2014 inductee into the WWE Hall of Fame. Doing whatever it takes to win. Can you believe it?
Come over here, please.
Out of the way of that one. Oh man, from the high rent district. I would know what that's like. I just can't get over what we saw. That was so great.
Okay.
This could do it. Maybe it. And the shoulders up now.
I thought this
That's
was
the
good.
kick
I thought that was going to be a
What
bit.
do you have to do to
Help
keep
me,
this
Sting,
guy down?
please.
My
Sting,
God,
are you
he's
just
been
meant
through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the
Sting?
attack. And I hope we can get a doctor
Sting?
out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs
Sting?
like that can make it hard to breathe.
You
The Ultimate
dummy.
Warrior enjoyed many iconic moments, most notably WrestleMania 6 and Skydome to retain his
Flex,
Intercontinental
flex.
Championship
Just
of
keep
the
flexing.
WWE Heavyweight
So your
Champion.
muscle
The
thing gets
Warrior
up
will
in
be forever revered as one of the most powerful forces in this or any other universe.
Big
He's
George.
sending a message to the entire
Here's Simon.
WWE locker room here. Whoa! Don't get up! And he fails to connect with anything that time.
Uh-oh.
Man, that was some miss on
Gotta start kicking.
Perhaps Ultimate Warrior has this match won now, people. Hey, this may very well be it.
Oh boy. First guy I've ever seen escape that in this game, actually.
So much of that. The shoulders are down. And another kick out. And that was a costly misstep. And this has got to be it. They got him. From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries. Okay, this is going to need some serious medical. He takes to the air. Wow. One move after the other. It's devastating. This is hard to... What a reversal. Look out. Here goes Warrior.
Okay, I'm just flexing, as you guys can see, so I can get some of my moves up. And I'm going to actually go for it. Hey.
This could end it in a hurry.
Let's go for it. Okay.
Looking for all.
Tombstone him.
My, the Undertaker. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
That's
right. That was wild, makes the cover. And he kicks out. And he lives to fight again. Seth Rollins displayed an
You idiot, Ultimate Warrior.
Here we go. Here we go.
He's gonna make him tap.
For dear life.
Tap, please.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Start us this out, guys. It's me in the Edge. Which really means thing. Edge.
I gotta say, I like his chances here, Cole.
Oh, come on. I was cut off right up the last second.
God, there was nothing
Undertaker!
about that at hand.
What the heck?
Oh, look at that. He managed to get a shoulder up. Well, like they say, Cole, timing is
There's somebody
everything.
on there, so.
It's going to take more than that to keep him down tonight. And he escapes with a kick out. Well, the Warrior not giving an inch here.
OMG, OMG. Back.
What's going to happen now? Look at this. Right to the body. And how much abuse can that arm withstand?
Oh, he's going. Let's spin him.
My God, his body's been through. Hey, is this it? It may be. And he escapes with a kick out. And the frustration has to build when you can't put away a superstar the caliber of
I can beat John Cena. That means I'm pretty good.
Considered the most savvy veteran in WWE today and a sure thing future Hall of Famer.
Undertaker, wait. Help me, Undertaker. Yeah, Undertaker.
10 superstars.
Hit me up with your
Just
neck.
think of all the firsts that the dead man has been a part of, Michael. The first Hell in a Cell match, the first ever casket match, the first buried oak, and that's it. He gave everything he had, but it just wasn't enough. Tombstone pile driver. My God, the Undertaker just buried him. We're looking at complete domination here.
Uh-oh, boy. Uh-oh.
Here. And there's the military press slam from the Ultimate Warrior. What a crippling move. Oh, you're right. Into the sleeper hold. Cutting off the flow of blood to the brain. It essentially knocks you out, but you can call it sleeping. And he escapes with a kick out. You can't teach
You
me,
idiot!
believe me when I tell you this guy is filled with it. And he fails to connect with anything.
Yay, we're winning, guys.
Man, that was some
Make him tap, 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 make him tap. Sting, come on, you can make him tap. I believe in you.
Scaling the turnbuckles. Whoa!
Quit flying. Triple choke slam.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries. No kidding, this is going to need some serious medical attention. Oh, they couldn't find a home for that one. Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
This is gonna get my. Do you see that blue like level? That's where like the finisher is, and this is how you can get it up. Or else fight him. It's over. It's all over. Reach up to the heavens. It's all over.
This may very well be it. He did it.
Yes! Brewskis, we won. Tell me if this video was interesting and bye, you Brewskis.